Hello everyone, today I want to share you some valuable insights about wholesale jewelry. The primary wholesale sources for jewelry are mainly located in Zhejiang, Qingdao, and Guangzhou. But you might be wondering, where should I go to wholesale jewelry? So today I'll take you on a tour of the largest wholesale jewelry market in China, Yiwu market. Let's go. Now I'm in Section C in the Yiwu market, which is the largest hub for small commodity exports and a significant destination for jewelry wholesale. Here you can find a wide variety of products, with jewelry being the most abundant. You'll find everything from necklace, bracelets, earrings, rings, hair accessories, watches, and more. There's a comprehensive selection available at different price points. The majority of shops here are factory outlets, meaning they both produce and wholesale jewelry. This allows them to offer competitive prices. Now come with me, let's have a look. After talking to the boss, she told me that these droplet styles are the most hot-selling products in the store, and there are many other fancy styles in the stores such as scarab, the cherries, the bread, and so on. The MOQ and main selling countries of these products are not the same. For example, for the water drop earring, the MOQ of these is 600 pieces, which means 300 pairs, and the main selling country is Mexico and other Latin American countries. And for the cherry style earring, the main selling country is the US, and the MOQ of this is 800 pieces. We support OEM and ODM service, and if you have your own design, we can also help you to produce. We don't have any competition pressure. Now let's go to another store.出欧洲的话是哪些？
出欧洲的话，基本上这种款式类型，款式重一点的，设计感强一点的，出欧洲比较好出。
这些材质呢？
铜跟不锈钢，合金的也可以做，看你们客户要求，你们客户要求什么材质，我们可以做什么材质。
你像他客户有些有自己设计的也可以做，
基本上提供3D 图纸。
哦，那如果是那种定制款的起订量是多少？
起订量500到800，卖的最好一般我们都会放在前面一点的。动物类基本上蛇跟蝴蝶出的比较多。
那戒指起订量一般是多少？
起订量有尺寸的话是240一个尺寸，没有尺寸的话是360。
戒指像比如说这种有带钻的，还有这些是什么材质？
戒指的材质只有铜跟锆石，或者是合金跟水钻。
定制类也还是像刚刚那种，
跟刚才项链一样的。客人提供图纸的话是500个起。
那如果就是他需要这边给设计呢？
这边给设计的话，他得看他要什么类型的，我们可以给他画图。
这边工厂是在义乌吗？
在广州。
And the MOQ is at least 600 pieces. And we can provide you 3D models, and if you have your own design, we can also help you to produce. The factory is in Guangzhou, and you don't have to worry about the quality. 嗨，老板你好。
你好。
想问一下这边就是咱们卖的最好的产品是有哪些？
哦，这款吧。
这款主要是往哪些国家地区？
我们欧美比较多。
那像这款一般那个最低起订量是多少？
一个颜色120，但是如果有现货12个就可以拿。
那个这种材质是什么呢？
天然石，我们以天然石为主。
咱们有工厂在义乌吗？
有的，
就在义乌本地。
义乌本地也有，广东那边也有。可以啊，没有问题，可以定制。数量啊、形状啊、颜色啊都可以。
This store mainly sells accessories made of natural ores. The hot-selling product in this store is this one. And the MOQ of this product is 120, and they can also provide you OEM and ODM service. If you have your own design, they can also help you to produce. They have their own factory in Yiwu, and you can source it with no pressure.